Hello guys, welcome to our channel Techland. Another motherboard 11 gen in my hand, ROG STRIX Z590E gaming Wi-Fi, Intel Z590 LGA 1280X motherboard with PCIe 4.0. +2 tapered power stage, two-way AI noise cancellation, AI overclocking, AI cooling and networking. Wi-Fi 6E 802.11ax dual Intel. .5 GB internet. Four M.2 slot with handset, USB 3.2 Gen, 2 USB Type-C, SATA and Aura-Sync lighting available. Optimal power solution: 14+2 power stage with Pro-Cool 2 power connector, high quality alloy choke and durable capacitor to support multi-core processor. Optimized thermal design, VRM and aluminum AIO handshake, L-shape head pipe, 4 onboard M.2 headset and M.2 black plate for the PCIe 4.0 M.2. High performance networking, onboard Intel Wi-Fi 6E AX 210 802.11ax Intel Dual, 2.5 GB internet with Asus 4 M.2 slot as well as USB 3.2 Gen 2, 2 USB Type-C. Controller: Asus executive tools and AI overclocking, AI cooling, AI networking and two-way AI noise cancellation to simply set up and improve performance. DIY friendly design. M.2 Q launch. P-mount AIO shield. BIOS flashback. CMOS button. C-core and flexically. Asus sign RGB lighting including RGB header and 2 adjustable RGB. Industry leading gaming audio. ALC 1418 with saving HS3871 amplifier. Among with DTS, sound around and Ison Studio. Best gaming connectivity. Support HDMI 2.0 and DisplayPort 1.4 output. Thank you for watching and enjoy this video. Please like, share and subscribe.